Hey everyone, this is Dimitri Pergamonic with MarketChameleon.com. I wanted to demonstrate to you how you could visualize the option volume activity for a specific stock. I'm going to use Google as an example today. When you're analyzing volume for a stock, it's pretty straightforward. But for an option, you have call options, put options, you have different strikes, and you also have different expirations. And that becomes a little bit more complicated to analyze. So we use different tools to help us out with that. I'll start out with the first tool. This is option volume for Google, and these are bar charts over time, and they're stacked with call options versus put options. And we could see on the day so far 43% of the trades were puts, 57% calls. And we also see that there was a little bit of a spike after 10 o'clock in activity, and then all of a sudden right now it's pretty calm and it quieted down in the afternoon. The next thing you might want to analyze is if there's a concentration of trades in a specific expiration. Here we see that the front 2 months have most of the volume, and then something interesting out here in the January 17th, 2020 expiration. There's a little bit of activity out here that you might want to go check out. The next chart is by strike, and one thing you want to try to see if there's a concentration of volume or clustering around certain strikes. And here we see that there's a lot of activity around the at the monies, which is expected, and then something out here in the wings. You see a little bit of a spike in some of these way out of the money puts and way out of the money calls that traded on the wings. And lastly, you may just want to go and look at the most active list, just a straight like top 10, and then you could just pick out which options are the most active. Over here, the first 3 most active in Google look like they're all puts, and then you could see how much it tapers off as you go down the list. Hopefully this was helpful to you and points you in the right direction when you're looking for possible opportunities to trade around either certain expirations or strikes in a specific stock. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.